guys, what's up? My name is Manit Oberoi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Manit, and on this channel we post lifestyle videos and some fashion and makeup related videos. And firstly, I would like to say, I don't know if you know from my Instagram, but I am back in Bombay. Since then I'm here and I haven't posted a video. So yes, I am back in Bombay and today we are back with another video, which is a makeup video. This is the makeup look that I would do on any occasion. I would do it on a dinner party or like a lunch or a club. It's a thing which is subtle and also dressy at the same time, and no one really judges you by saying that, oh, why are you wearing so much makeup? But you can make necessary changes that you want according to your preference. So without wasting any time, let's just get on the video. And wait, if you're new here, then make sure to click the subscribe button. Along with that, you could like this video, you could turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any other video that I'm gonna post. So let's just finally get on the video. Also, today's setup, oh my god, please all attention on me. I'm gonna put my hair at the back first. And my dark circle problem, you can see this is my real face, but then it's just looking too bad. It's not that bad if you see in real. All my insecurities are just coming out like this, and I'm positive about it. I don't care. So I'm gonna use a moisturizer, putting my Vaseline, lip balm, just take this. So before all this, I would suggest you guys to take out any facial hair that you have, because then your makeup blends really well. For that, I use this one product. You can get this on Amazon. I'll put the link of this product. Just need to like take this and just do that, and literally your facial hair just comes out. And if you guys have any myths about it, don't think of that. I'm using this since the past 2 years and it has not caused me any problems. I would usually use this L'Oreal Paris foundation, but being realistic, I have stopped using foundation since the past so many months. So I'm just gonna start by concealing it. Okay, so we just put it here, here, and on my forehead, on my eyelids. So these are the main areas that I conceal. Then we take our wet sponge. Oh, 1 minute. Oh god, I did makeup yesterday and I thought I wet it. I only didn't wet it. Okay, fine, let's go. Sorry about that. Finally done concealing, and now we will switch to baking. I'm using my blender with my compact powder and I'm just gonna tap it and put it here. And then you just put it in these areas. So do watch a lot of makeup tutorials, especially James Charles. This we're gonna keep until we finish our eye makeup so that it bakes. You know what I mean. So next we'll move to eyes. So I don't know if you guys are gonna be mad at me or what. I do not do my eyebrows. I don't know, I just never did my eyebrows as well. Like, I did not pluck anything. We'll ignore this, but if you want to do it, you can do it. For my eyes, I highlighted. My highlighter that I have, I'm just gonna take this and just put it on my eyelid. That's it. I really hope you guys don't be like, what makeup tutorial is this? And I just do it. Alright, so we are done with putting highlighter on our eyelids. Next up comes the eyeliner. So I use the Lakme eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. I have a hang of using this. You're just gonna make a wing, but that wing will not be from here. It will just be from the ends. You see that? How simple it was. It's just this. It's literally just this. And this just makes your eye pop up so much. We're gonna do the same thing on this side. Okay, so we are done with the eyeliner right now. And then we will go for our waterline, for which I'm gonna use my kajal. So I'm gonna just take a pencil eyeliner basically and use it as a kajal. See that look? You see that bold look on me right now? I just start tearing whenever this happens. It's shiny, along with that it's like bold, so that's working out amazing for me right now. After this comes the mascara. So there's a trick that I'm gonna share with you, which I saw on one of my friends' profile. Would mention her like in this video. That helped a lot. I would give you credits. Kriti, this is for you. So the first step in this is to use your eyelash curler and just curl your eyelashes. Be careful, you don't have to mess up your eyeliner. This is the trick that I would like to talk about. Before, you must be knowing about it maybe. This is a trick that I got to know, where you first just like brush it this side, that side. Oh, I did this, yeah. Just be very careful, it shouldn't go anywhere else. Put it this side, then that side, and then just put it up. Do you see that? Like, you can see the perfect situation going on out there. I'm doing the same thing with the other side. Just look at my eyelashes, guys. Isn't this clever? So finally we are done with our eyes, and that's how our eye looks. Looks really sassy and like cool. So I usually go for this eye look, and in real it looks way better. Now we are gonna just go around and blend our compact powder. I'm just gonna take my makeup brush and just blend it. So now that it's all settled in my skin and we are all good to go. So my face is done now, and then we are just gonna go for my blush. So for the blush, a lipstick, which is this amazing color. You can see for the blush, I use it as like a tint. I just smile here as well. I look so good. Oh my god, I can't. And I just blend it with my fingers and going sideways, yeah. So now that it has got blended everywhere, it just looks like this. And if you feel that you put way too much, or like it just looks funny, then you can just take some powder and just put it. Next up is going to be our highlighter, which we are going to use a normal highlighter for that. So you take this, put it here, nose, here, above my lip, on my forehead. No shining, looks good though. I love it. Next up is finally the thing which I love the most, which is my lipstick. I don't just use one lipstick. I love to play with colors, and especially something which is related to pink and brown, and that suits me the best. And I think the color combination that comes out from pink and brown is so good. So before anything, I would always put lip balm again on my lips, because now it's all got dried up. So okay, perfect. Yeah, let's start off with the brown color that I have. So I'm just gonna put it all over my lips, obviously. So now that I put the brown, I'm just going to stick that I spoke about today. So I'm just gonna put it here in the middle. Bump it. You see, like, there's a blend of brown and pink. Then my lip gloss, which is this amazing color. Not a lot, because then it'll totally be this color. Just like that. Just gonna blend it. Really natural lip look, which has a little bit of gloss, and it's gonna work perfect for you. I'm done with our makeup right now, and I'm just gonna put my hair down, and we're gonna see how it finally looks.